Good day to you, or welcome to the Helper YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something that many people are tired of. Actually, this is something that most people do. That is, while installing software on your computer, you have to download software from various websites. It's a bit of a tedious, time-consuming task. Ninite website is the best solution for that. Today we are talking about that. So let's see how to install software easily through this website.
Okay, so first visit Google through your web browser. Search for Ninite in its search tab. Okay, now you can access Ninite website from this link. This is its interface. Now to get down to this, there are many softwares that you basically need. There are basic web browsers, as well as storage software like Document Reader, Google Drive, OneDrive. More things like Zoom and Skype. Apart from that, there are antivirus software and many more. Okay, now let's see how to install software easily with this. I choose WinRAR and TerraCopy software. You can add as much as you like. Okay, now there is a button below that says, Get your Ninite. Click 1. Now in this way, the apps you have selected are here. This can be changed. Now click Retry the download here. Now in this way, all the software you downloaded will be downloaded as one setup file. This is the setup file we downloaded. Let's install it. Now in this way, you can see that the relevant software is being downloaded and installed on the computer. Okay, now it says that it has been installed. Let's see if this is installed. Okay, the two software I took have been successfully installed. Okay, then try it too. See you in another video. Goodbye.